Hi, in this video we will learn how to derive the pressure equation derivation. Imagine we have a cube. The cube have a height h and it have the area L by L, length. And imagine that this cube, inside it we have a fluid, let's say water. The water will exert force on this area. Force. So we know that pressure is equal to force over area. We know that force is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. We know also that the density of water is equal to mass over volume. We also know that volume equals to the height times area. So let's go back to the first equation. So we said that pressure equal to force over area. In equation number 2, force is mass times gravity. Mass times gravity divided by area. From equation 3, we can solve for mass. So for equation 3, mass will equal to the density times the volume. So back to the first equation, pressure will equal to, the mass will replace it with density times volume times gravity divided by area. From equation number 4, we can replace the volume with height times area. So going back to equation number 1, density will equal to times height times area times gravity divided by area. So in this case, area will cancel with area. So pressure equation will be density times gravity times height. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.